Laborers for Neighbors is designed, and we thought about this a lot over the last 15 years or more, to come up with a mission project that would allow somebody who says, I want to be in mission, but has never had the opportunity or taken the time. Our goal is to give them that opportunity for Mission 101, so to speak. And the goal is to make it inexpensive and to make it as little time consuming as possible, to make it as high impact as possible. And what's really cool about Laborers for Neighbors that is a little unusual for most long-term mission trips is that we give people an opportunity to see a roof that needs repair. In the morning, we take off the roof, and by the afternoon now, as the sun is setting, we've got a brand new roof on, and you can stand back and look at the product of your handiwork. You know that you've done something good. The people have told you, they've shared their appreciation, both in words, but as much as anything, it's in their eyes. And the actions of just coming around and offering to help and being there. Their appreciation, their gratitude really is hard to describe. It's just, it's evident, but it's more than just words. It was a great day. It was like every other mission trip. It was surprising that there were things that surprised us. For example, it started off with 60% precipitation proposed for about 3 o'clock, and then it moved ultimately to 6 o'clock, and ultimately no rain today. So that's not the first time that's happened, though. In fact, probably of all the times we've been on Laborers for Neighbors trips, we probably have had threatening rain or actual rain at least 20% of the time, and we've never been rained out. So, you know, I think it probably has something to do with Providence. It has little to do with us Skip being lucky. I believe in Providence more than I believe in coincidence, and today was yet one of those days where no rain, even though a lot of nice threatening rain. So perhaps the rain will come tomorrow and everybody will enjoy it, and their lawns will, but without us on the roof, and perhaps a brand new roof will enjoy it as well, without being leaking on the inside.
Okay, so let's say there's someone who has never done a mission project at all, right?
Yeah.
And this is kind of cool and interesting. If they wanted to do this, what do they need to bring with them?
What to bring? Well, first you need to bring your smile, and you need to bring your safety thinking, because there are a lot of things we do that most people are unaccustomed to doing. But if you bring those two things, and then you bring your a great attitude, then everything works. It's amazing. It's everything just kind of all of a sudden kind of fits. People show up, teams get formed, things happen. Don't want to forget your towel and your washcloth and maybe a Ziploc bag to put them in, but yeah, and a good pair of tennis shoes that you can make sure and grip the top of the roof with. But other than that, attitude and a big smile goes a long way. That's what we need.
And what do you believe? What did you see in the eyes of the people that you met today? What did you see in their eyes? What do you think they got out of it?
You know, there were stories of their gratitude. Their eyes were gratitude. In fact, a moment ago, somebody stepped up behind me and said, "What can I do to help?" And I said, "Well, just pick up anything that doesn't look like it belongs here." And it was Wanda, the wife of the owner, or a co-owner of the house. And so they just jumped in. Their gratitude was obvious. They've been here for a long time, and they really, they like others who have had a new roof put on, show a real appreciation and gratitude, more in their eyes than maybe even what they say. It's really rewarding.
Any last thoughts from today that you may want to share? Just anything. Doesn't matter. It can be random. Maybe, you know what I mean? Any last thoughts?
Well, we're just thrilled Will's here taking pictures, because you know he's been on trips before, and he brings a great attitude. He brings a great big smile. And we're happy to be able to get the word out. We think that Laborers for Neighbors it's a entry-level mission opportunity for people to kind of plug into mission. It's easy. It's low impact. It's a weekend. Come on a Friday afternoon. We're back early Sunday afternoon. And if you've never been on a mission trip, it's a real wonderful opportunity.
Got it. Thank you. You are the best.